Hi, my name is Cliff at A1 Performance at San Jose. So we do all European car here. So here we have one case, the customer towing the car, the BMW. So it won't start. And we'll come out here and try to start up the car and try to diagnose, see what's going on. It may be that a simple thing, but people can do it at home to make sure it's started up. Here that we're gonna turn the key on. See that the key, we're gonna turn the key on, hold light on the gas. So that means can be the problem with the system or can be only the battery. So the more simple thing is we thought about a battery. So we're gonna jump the battery. Now today we'll show you how to jump the battery if it, the fact is the battery's bad. Here that we open the hood, right? The hood open, and here that in that area they have the positive. They have a sign, a positive sign right here. So make sure you put it right, otherwise you cross the jump, you're gonna be damage the computer. So you have to do it right. See that, and then the positive, that's the red one to go in here. And then here that's the negative, so we can find the ground, so that the frame or the engine body, the clamp right here. Make sure the jumper is on. Now you can go inside here. Start up the car.